It's okay. Wake up. What was it? Was it?
I fell asleep on both my arms. Oh, they're coming back now.
Jesus, my heart. You freak.
I'm sorry, it was scary.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, Jesus. My head. Oh, what time did we leave last night?
It all ended when you and Bill sang A Whole New World.
Oh, yeah. No one could follow that.
I'll wear my chicken fillets then. They're things you put in your bra.
I know what they are.
Welcome to England.
I'm so excited to see the Siberian chef.
What is it? Do you like watching her, or do you like being watched?
Both. Is she laying out of her ass?
I think it's general muck. Is your job full-time?
Yeah. Can we still eat it?
Yeah, I think so. And some late nights?
Yeah, I'm going to Google if we can eat it.
Is it at Vauxhall Cross?
No, it's at a private location. It's off the books.
Is it safe?
It says it should be okay, but definitely sniff it first.
And the job?
Oh, yes, it's just gathering and analyzing information about someone. It's not... No, I don't think we should eat it.
Risky?
Yeah.
Is the job risky?
Oh, it's about as dangerous as eating that egg would be.
You just said the egg was too risky.
No. I mean, the worst that could happen is I would get the shits at my computer because of a bad sandwich.
You seem happy.
I'm just glad I have a job.
All chickens lay eggs out of their arsehole.
I can't stand breakfast. It's just constant eggs. Why? Who decided?
Did you pick up Aaron Peel?
No. Not quite yet.
Mr. Peel, what do you say to the criticism of you that your control of vast amounts of private surveillance data gives you too much power and influence?
You're not averse to a bit of surveillance yourself.
What do you mean?
Please don't play me for a fool. The camera in your bag.
What?
You like recording things you shouldn't, don't you? Don't turn it off. This is going to be fun. Let's see. What choice little tidbit could I share with your employers?
What's going on?
How about the S&M sessions you have with your wife?
I'm sorry.
She does laugh about it with her friends.
How do you know about that?
There is nothing hidden that will not be revealed.
Oh, God. She hasn't got married again, has she?
Don't worry. I'm just the house guest. You want some trashona? Eggs, sour cream? Very healthy. Restorative.
Not for me. Thanks.
Ah, you've met. Good. John's over from Nairobi. He works at the Bureau there. We're old friends.
We are old friends, too. Calvin has old friends everywhere. It's so good to be back here. All old friends. Old friends together.
Want some stew?
No.
Wine?
No. No, thank you. I'm okay. What? What?
I'm sorry to bring this up now. you're not being honest with me. About Bill.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Really? He was a friend, okay? Please don't make this all
How
about...
did he die? I want you out of this. If you value your life, our life, you will. I know you think you're honoring Bill, but you looked me in the eye and you told me there was absolutely no risk.
Please don't tell me what I know you care about me. We all know you care about me. Sometimes I think it's all you have. God,
You don't have to apologize. Oh, your suitcase came back from Berlin. It was on the doorstep.
You don't know who our target is.
We'll be told on arrival.
We just know we're here to kill a member of the British intelligence services.
Eve, can we just talk?
Get out! Get out!
What? It's just the birds. They're fine.
You have a gun? Do you ever not talk about sex?
Why would I? What else is there?
Oh. God. This is amazing.
I told you.
What did they put in it?
I don't know. Crack. Orphans.
I don't care if that's true. Seriously. If it tastes this good, grind up an orphan and fry it in crack. How was your day?
Not bad. You?
Not bad.
I've got to go to Oxford tomorrow. Another teacher got sick and they need a chaperone for some spelling bee.
Wow.
I know, high-octane stuff, huh?
For how long?
Just a couple of days. I don't have to stay overnight. I can come back if you want me.
Oh, no. Go. Seriously, go. It sounds like fun.
Really? Indian.
I love you.